Maybe we should go here. King and Queen's Playhouse. I'm King. I'm Queen. And today we are back with another video. Puzzles!
Giant puzzle. What kind of puzzle do we have?
Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol is favorite. And see off the back.
Cool. Look at all those pieces.
Scissors. We need scissors.
Can you show us the back of it? And then we'll cut it open. Wow, look how massive that puzzle is, kids.
And just trying to open it up. But we need scissors because right here and right here. Kids, we got it open. Now let's open it up. It's 400 pieces. Let's dump it down. That looks like Zuma's here. And that looks like and where's the stomach?
So now we have to put the puzzle all together.
Hey, I got someone that can help. Maximus. Maximus is the little truck. He's right here. Maximus.
Kids, can you guess which character this one will be?
And let me know if it's gonna be Sky or Rubble. You see mine? Can you guess what mine's gonna be?
Can you guess which one King has?
It's Destruction Dog Rubble.
Are y'all having fun putting the puzzle together?
Uh-huh.
It's coming along.
I almost done because I have a secret one.
A secret. Ooh, I can tell which one Queen has.
Nope.
Which one do you have, Queen?
I have Sky.
Sky. Oh no, don't break her apart. Put her back together.
Boom, yum, dum.
Was that Rubble?
Oh,
see you, Rubble.
Missing a piece.
Missing a piece?
Rubble is supposed to be his shoulders.
Okay, let's see if we can find another piece for Rubble. Kids, do you see another piece for Rubble?
I'll use my chasing.
Here.
That's me because I'm sniffing at it.
Could this be Rubble's piece, kids?
Yeah.
Maximus is gonna help you put this one together.
Let's put this one together, King.
Turn it until it fits. Line up the blue with the blue. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Let's put Rubble back together so he can be happy.
How's it going, Queen?
I think I have to.
This looks like this could be her ear, maybe? Is that her ear?
That's her hair.
Oh, that's her hair. Okay.
Oh, that's
Put it
her
in her
ear.
hair at the bottom of her
No,
puff.
that's
on this
her
side.
hair. Mommy's still keeping a secret of her.
That is her ear, see?
I did it, kids. I did
Ta-da!
it. Kids, her ear. Come on.
That's her body. Let's put her body on there.
Kids.
Turn it around. You had it in the right spot. You just have to turn it around until it fits. Yep. Now put it down there by her nose. Turn it. Turn it again. Try the other side. Yeah. Could that be it? Push it in there. Ta-da! You almost there. Let's see yours. You done with Rubble?
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Kids,
let's put together Chase now.
Kids, you know who this is? It's Rubble.
Rubble.
Mine is Sky.
Sky. She's all put together now. So who are you going to put together next?
I'm gonna put together
You don't know? Okay, we have to wait and see.
This is to help me again. Come on, baby, please. Me and King did it.
King put Chase together.
Okay, next to us. Oh, we got to get the letters.
Yes, now let's put the words together.
Okay, kids. Come on.
Queen's putting together Marshall.
Where does this one go?
Let's see.
Does it go over here?
No.
That's for Chase. Does it go over here?
No.
Does it go over here? That here.
Yes, right there.
Okay, I think I got it right.
Cool. So it looks like you're spelling the word off. So you have the O. Now you need the F and the F. Look, there's the F, King.
F. 2 F's.
And look, looks like the OFF. A piece of it. You might have your complete puzzle. Let's see.
Hey kids, it worked. Off to fight some crime.
Cool, so it fits perfectly. Okay, kids, so we are almost done with the puzzle. I think we have a winner. Lift it up.
Yay, I'm the winner. So I beat the lyric. Okay, kids, we have each section put together. Which piece attached to sky?
Okay, let's see. Which piece should we attach to sky, kids?
Probably
Could it be this one? Let's try it. Perfect, kids. Now, which piece should we attach to
this one.
Chase?
Yeah, that one.
Which piece should we attach to Chase?
Rubble.
Rubble.
Rubble. Yeah, rubble. Rubble.
How about we take a look at the picture, kids? Okay, so he should go there, kids. Let's
With
see.
rubble.
With rubble? Okay.
Gaga, su.
So in between Rubble and and Chase, there should be the word duty. So let's attach the word duty to Rubble first, kids.
Chase goes to duty. Chase, what's that duty? Come on, duty, Chase. Maybe we should go here. Yay!
Good job.
All together, kids.
So we put the puzzle all together, kids. Let's take a look. Who is that character?
Sky.
Sky. And who is this?
Marshall.
Marshall. And who else do we have back there?
We have Rubble.
And last but not least,
Chase.
Chase. Yay.
Yeah.
Look how giant it is.
It's giant.
Giant puzzle. Maybe we can glue it on a poster board and put it on the wall.
I know what we could do to it. I got something for it. Kids, look how we got them. Maximus is right here, and Robert's right here, and Marshall's right here. Chase is right here. It's like a game. And the sky's right here.
Cool. So we have all the matching characters to the puzzle.
It's a racing game. It's a racing game. It's a racing game. Whoa. Sky is gonna miss the racing game. Kids, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. And don't forget to press Marshall's subscribe button and watch me do this. Me and Nick gonna do this.
Are y'all meditating?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, kids. See you next time. Bye.